Design Data Manager 2010 sees the introduction of folder dividers. Folder dividers provide an easy way to organize and find folder or project-based information. The following movie shows how to set up folder dividers, how to organize information into dividers, and how search criteria based on dividers can be a powerful tool in getting rapid access to your data. If we run a search for folders of type project folder, we can see a number of search results returned. If we expand folder PX1003, we can see that it has a mixture of different documents within it. Now it may be that these are organized by classification, allowing us to search within the folder, but we may want to set up a subfolder structure to organize our work, in a similar way to organizing work on the file system. In DDM, these subfolders are called folder dividers. Folder dividers are defined in the DDM administration module. If we edit the folder type that we looked at earlier, we can define a folder divider structure that will be applied to all existing folders of this type and any new folders created from this template. Divider definitions are added as shown. Here we have set up a divider structure to organize our project-based documentation. Once the divider structure has been defined, store the changes. If we return to the main UI, we can rerun the search for folders of type project folder, and we can expand PX1003 to see that the dividers are now in place. To start organizing our work, we need to open the properties of the folder. Note, folder permissions apply as before, and dividers inherit permissions from the owning folder. In this folder we have a project specification document that we want to put into the new divider. Simply drag and drop the document into place. We also have some technical documents in this folder. A divider has not been defined for technical documents. However, as we have modified permissions on the folder, we can add a new divider as a user. Note the option to use colors, giving visual identity to the dividers. Now the divider has been created, we can add the relevant documents to the new divider. If we return to the main UI, we can see our work now organized into dividers. We can also set up search criteria based on folder dividers. If we're working on the technical documents in the PX1003 project folder, we may create a search based on the divider used in the project folder. If this search is saved as a favorite, we get instant access to the documents without needing to browse through the structures. Working in this way allows us to take full advantage of the power and flexibility of a database-based solution. The technical documentation divider that was added to PX1003 applied to this folder only. If we open one of the other folders based on this folder type, we see that it does not contain a technical documentation divider. If we want a divider called technical documentation in all project folders, this should be defined at the admin level. DDM folder dividers, the quick and easy way to organize your data. To find out more about DDM 2010 and folder dividers, contact CSI or your local reseller.